Hello, HIT professionals. I wanted to create this quick tutorial for you guys regarding the Module 2 assignment. I'm going to click on it here. I am focusing on the Module 2 capstone project assignment. I've gotten a couple of emails and texts regarding the whole setup of the assignment, so I just wanted to make sure that everyone is on the same page and that you guys are submitting the correct assignment. So for the Module 2 assignments for the domain performance tracking, remember, you are to create an Excel spreadsheet, okay? You can click here for it to come up for you. But your Excel spreadsheets should look very closely to what is submitted below. I think what is confusing is all of the data that is presented here for you guys. I wish I had a highlighter, but I do not. But just say from week 2 to week 5, I think this is the confusing portion. So for module 2, let's just back it up a little bit. For module 2, when you guys submit your Excel spreadsheet, I should see it set up like this, the Excel spreadsheet, but I also should see the pre-assessment scores. So all of this here should be populated, okay? The goal here is to take the pre-assessment exam in the beginning, and as you guys work throughout the entire course and take your weekly quizzes like so here, you will be able to kind of see how well you've performed in domain 1, domain 2, so forth and so on. At the end of the course, you will take a post-assessment exam, and then you will really be able to assess your readiness for the RHIT exam. You will see your pre-assessment domain scores, like here. And then when you guys submit the your in total project, you will have your post assessment score. So you'll be able to see if you've improved in one domain or if you declined or if you stayed the same, so forth and so on. Again, you'll be able to gauge where your readiness is prior to sitting for the RHIT exam. Now, as the time goes on, as you can see, each week down below, you guys will be required to take a quiz. So this week, we only have one quiz to take. We have domain 1 quiz, and you will insert your score here. When you guys submit your assignment for this week again, I should see this populated for week 1, and I should also see the domain 1 quiz score. That is all that should be present. However, as the weeks go on, such as like next week, you guys are required to take 2 quizzes. So you have domain 2 and domain 3. So you should keep populating your Excel spreadsheet with the various quizzes that are required weekly. Okay, so that you have some information to be shown. So I want to show you an example of a student's Excel spreadsheet. This is from last quarter or a couple of quarters ago. This is all I should see for Module 2 when you guys submit it to me. She has her pre-assessment scores, and she also has the scores of each domain listed here, along with the Domain 1 quiz score. Okay, so this is perfect for Module 2. It was something else I wanted to show you guys. Did I lose that information? Oh, geez. Give me 1 second. Okay, so for module, here it is, I'm sorry. Now this is for module 6, because remember, in this course, you guys are just building projects on top of projects, okay? During Module 6, you will submit to me your entire capstone project, and this will be part of it. So notice, again, this is Module 6. So here she has her pre-assessment score again. She also has the domain 1 through 6 percentage scores here. And then down here is where she kept populating the Excel spreadsheet. So she has the scores for domain 1 here, domain 2 and 3 here, so forth and so on. She made sure that each week she is populating the Excel spreadsheet, okay? This right here is what may be confusing, as this is present too in the example. I'm really not concerned with these scores. These are just, as you can see, let me go back to the course. Excuse me. As you can see here, this has been populated. However, this is just for dramatization purposes. So we're just letting you know that if you want to, you can put, excuse me, some of your scores listed here. But what is really important is that you continue to populate your domain scores on a weekly basis. This right here, I'm not taking off points for this. I really don't care if it's here or not. This was just an example of how you can continue to populate the Excel spreadsheet. But again, what is important for me to have, for you guys to have, is the pre-assessment scores, domains 1 through 6, okay? And then also for this week, your quiz score for domain 1, and then again continue to populate this as the course goes on, because again at the end you guys will submit to me in module 6, you will submit to me your capstone project. Okay, so this right here. Okay, I don't think you guys have access to this yet. However, there's a few things that need to be listed here, and that is this one here, domain performance tracking. Again, that's your Excel spreadsheet with all of your scores that you've captured throughout the course. Okay, so that is what I will be looking for towards the end. I hope that this makes a little bit more sense and provided some more clarity for you guys. And just as a note, again, since you guys, I am showing you access to Module 6. Again, this is the completion of the capstone project. So everything that you guys have worked on during this course, you will be allowed to submit this to me again in its entirety as one big project. So it just builds on top of each other as a weekly basis. Okay, each module builds on for the next module, and at the end, it will be one big project that you will submit to me. Okay, so hopefully that makes a little bit more sense for you guys. Again, please don't make this harder than what it should be for yourselves. I'll show you one more time. This is what is to be submitted to me for this week for Module 2. Okay, your Excel spreadsheet should look like this, and you don't have to have all those extra numbers here. I'm not concerned with that. This is all I should see. All right. And then for module 6, I'm sorry, I hope I didn't say this is for module 6. This will be for module 2. Okay, so no confusion here. This is all I should see for module 2. And then for your module 6 assignment, and of course that's towards the end, this is how it should look as you begin to populate the Excel spreadsheet. Again, keeping your pre-assessment scores, all right? And then also providing your weekly domain quiz scores. Okay? If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me. Again, I just wanted to show you guys a visual of what is to be expected for the Module 2 assignment. And then as we close out the course, what you should have for your Module 6 assignment. And then as a quick snippet, this is what it should be. Everything, this is like the study schedule plan. everything will be looped in together. So this is the self-review process. I don't want to get too thorough with you guys, but I'm just showing you what the end result will look like. Okay. All of this will be captured together. All right. Okay, so after reviewing this, if you guys still have some questions, feel free to reach out to me. I am here to help you guys and make things better. All right, thank you.